thunderstorm was located over northeastern Albuquerque, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Albuquerque, Los Ranchos de Albuquerque, Bosque Farms, South Valley, North Valley, Isleta Pueblo, and Alameda. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 152 and 166. Interstate 25 between mile markers 212 and 231. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Accumulations of hail on roads can create very slick and hazardous driving conditions. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico: Bernalillo and Valencia. You are listening to